Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sat in a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and I'm going to be showing you how to operate the shift lock release on the automatic gearbox. Now you are going to need a tool to do this. You're just going to need a medium flat screwdriver like this, but it's relatively easy to do. Now the shift lock is there as a safety feature to stop the shifter from accidentally being knocked into drive, neutral or reverse if there's not a driver in the driver's position with their foot on the brake. So obviously a very good safety feature. Now this is a two-handed job, so I'm going to reposition the camera and show you how to do it now. So the shift lock release is actually found over the left hand side of the shifter. You can just see a square with a small slot in it, and that slot is what we're going to put our screwdriver into. So just push it in there and rotate it round. Make sure you don't chew up any of the plastic, and that allows you to remove this plastic cap. Now keep that safe because we're going to want to put that back on afterwards, and you'll notice obviously the shift lock is still on. So that's where we're going to push our screwdriver into that hole, and then that will allow us to say move it to neutral so we can safely tow the car, and then we're going to put the shifter back into park once we've finished towing the car, and that's already put the shift lock back on until a time where you put something back in the hole and move it back down to say the neutral position to move it around. So do always remember to have it in park once you've finished up so the car doesn't move, and also always put your plastic cap back. So there we go, that's how easy it is to operate the shift lock on a 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.